7 luxury ranch plans, new construction. This is Roger. We're going to take a quick tour today of some current luxury homes available. This one is up in the Cornelius area, which is great, right next to Lake Norman. Here's one in Huntersville nearby. This is a ranch luxury with a full basement. Down here in the Weddington area, there's a beautiful Pulte Southampton that's waiting for your attention, as well as this Sullivan Ranch from Shea Homes in Oldenburg and Marvin Schools. Wow. Then we're going to go over to Mason's Bend and look at a house that you can actually see the inside of today. And then here we've got a waterfront home from Bonterra, as well as a waterfront lot with a house getting ready to be built that you will never hear about except here. Let's start here with Jeton Place. Man, do I love classical homes. Everything that they do with this house, this floor plan, is intentional. It's luxury at its best. It's an enclave. It's got walkability to all kinds of great stuff. Let's go see that one. Reference Jeton Place. By the way, here's the floor plan. Classica is known for the way the kitchen opens up to the great room, that opens up to this dining space. Is that a breakfast room or a dining room? Yeah, exactly. And then with this wall of windows opening right up to covered patio, you will not regret looking at that Classica Homes house. Now here's one that's it's a custom builder. It's a 1-story with a full basement. And this one is in the Huntersville area. And I'd love to show this one to you. This one's over 3,500 square feet, priced right at about $600,000. Did I say a basement? Yeah, beautiful. Now, this one down in Weddington is Pulte Homes in Weddington Preserve. And if you want to actually see this floor plan, type in the word Southampton with 1H, Southampton, into my YouTube search bar. Search YouTube for Roger Holloway and type it in to see several Southampton. I love this plan. Several Southampton video tours. That one's priced right in the $6 to $6.25 range. That's a very cool plan. I'd love to show it to you. Now, this is like, I hope my wife never goes into this house again. The Southampton, it's got a 4-car garage from Shea Homes in Marvin, Oldenburg. What a great plat. Type in the word Sullivan into my YouTube search bar to see it. Why don't I want my wife in there? Because she likes to buy new homes and she loves her some Sullivan from Shea Homes. Now, you can also type in the word Haven into my YouTube search bar to see a video tour I did of this one in Mason's Bend. 1-story, 1.5 actually, with a family room over the garage. Man, this plan is so great. Mason's Bend is an amazing subdivision right off of exit 83 and I-77. Now, here's one. I'm surprised it hadn't sold, except, you know, it ain't cheap. It's about $850 from Bonterra, but why? Because it's right on the water. This is a cool one in Harper's Point. Let's go see that one when you come. And by the way, if you're out of town, you want to buy that one, let me go shoot a video of that. This is looking out the back door at the water on that one in Harper's Point. And then finally, there are a few lots that Knott's Builders picked up. You're like in the middle of a state forest, I promise you. And they have several lots right here on the water, a little finger cove of Lake Wylie. Ask me about that one. And that's on Waymart. It's not even a subdivision. So Waymart, a lot of people want something that's not a subdivision. Here it is. You're in the middle of a state park, backing up to water. You definitely want to call me about that one. It's right at about $700,000. There may be more than one lot available when you call me. So I can't wait to talk to you soon. If you want to see that one, or you want to be looking out your door and looking at that one from Bonterra, or if you want to be down at Mason's Bend or at Oldenburg, wow, that's Sullivan plan, or in Weddington, give me a call at 704-345-3400. You want a ranch with a walkout basement. I can't wait to be your buyer's agent. Again, Roger Holloway, Prosted Realty. I can't wait to talk to you soon. Luxury ranches.